Welcome back with another tutorial video of HTML course. In this video, let's talk about paragraph tag. The p tag in HTML defines a paragraph. These have both opening and closing tag. So anything mentioned within p tag is treated as a paragraph. Most browsers read a line as a paragraph even if we don't use the closing tag, but this may raise unexpected results. So it is both a good convention and we must use the closing tag. This is the syntax of p tag. Okay, let's see example in Sublime Text. By this example, you understood about paragraph tag. See you in next video.